After instructions about purity and consecration, Numbers 7 begins a remarkable scene of worship, generosity, and unity. The tabernacle had been set up, anointed, and dedicated, and now the leaders of Israel came forward to give their offerings for the service of God's house. The leaders of each tribe approached Moses with offerings, not because they were commanded, but because their hearts were moved to honor the Lord. They brought 6 carts and 12 oxen, transportation for the sacred objects as Israel traveled. The Gershonites received 2 carts and 4 oxen. The Merarites received 4 carts and 8 oxen. But the Kohathites received none, for they were to carry the holy things on their shoulders, honoring their special calling. Every tribe shared in the burden and blessing of God's work. No tribe stood apart, all served together. Worship here is seen not in words, but in willing generosity. Then came the offerings for the dedication of the altar. Each day for 12 days, one tribal leader brought his gift. Each offering was the same amount, yet given individually, showing equality, unity, and devotion tribe by tribe. Every leader brought 1 silver plate filled with fine flour mixed with oil, 1 silver basin, 1 gold dish with incense, 1 young bull, 1 ram, 1 male lamb, 1 male goat for a sin offering, 2 oxen, 5 rams, 5 male goats, and 5 male lambs for fellowship offerings. No tribe gave more, none gave less. This was worship in harmony, equal sacrifice, equal honor, equal devotion. Tribe by tribe, name by name, Scripture lists each offering. Some may read this and wonder why God repeats so much detail, but every repetition whispers. God remembers every giver. There is no wasted ink when God records worship, and at the end, the total is given. A culmination of unity. 12 silver plates, 12 silver bowls, 12 gold dishes, 36 bulls, 72 rams, 72 male lambs, 72 male goats, and all other fellowship offerings. It was a magnificent, unified act of devotion from the entire nation. Then, as this chapter of offerings closes, something sacred happens. When Moses entered the tent of meeting to speak with the Lord, he heard the voice speaking to him from between the 2 cherubim on the Ark of the Covenant. At the end of obedience, generosity, and unity, God speaks. This is the blessing behind worship. Where God is honored, God draws near. He honors unity in his people. He remembers faithfulness. And he meets us where sacrifice and obedience live. Generosity opens the door to communion. Next comes Numbers 8, where the Lord instructs the lighting of the lamps and consecrates the Levites for service.